The Airhawk Power Folding Wheelchair also comes with a seat belt. That is a very useful feature that many people do not realize. It is adjustable, and we do have the ability to comfortably use the seat belt in various different ways and various different positions, allowing the user of the chair to very easily secure themselves as tight or as loose as they would prefer, with an ideal amount of security to allow the operation of the Airhawk, the horn there, to be nice and simple, nice and easy. That is the demonstration of how to utilize the seat belt in the Airhawk Power Folding Wheelchair.